So over here in the left hand side, you can see that I got different prompts that I can access. But let's say what I want to do is I want to go around and rename those prompts right here. For example, over here, instead of this long name, I want to change it to something else. Then what I can simply do is click on the more button right here and then click on rename. And then what you can simply do is, let's say, for example, rename it to size and performance, and that is it. You can rename out the chat as you like, as you can see right here, just like this. You can also go around onto more and then go to share right here. So once you do that, what happens is that you can go around and create out a link right here to make this chat discoverable. So you can go around and share it out with others. So if I were to go around and copy this out right here, you can copy out the link, or you can also share it in different platforms, as you can see right here. I can also go around and make this chat discoverable, so it is allowed in web searches as a public link as well. So if I were to go around and paste this particular link right here, just like this, then I get onto this particular section, as you can see right here, where I can go around and access my chat publicly right here. So this is Get Started with ChatGPT. This is a public link that you can share with others. So that is how you can go around and share and rename out your chats inside of ChatGPT. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.